As consumers, we have the power to make a difference with our choices. When it comes to hair removal products, it's important to consider the ethical practices of the manufacturers. By supporting companies that prioritize ethical sourcing and labor concerns, we can positively impact the lives of those involved in the manufacturing process. Ethical sourcing ensures that the ingredients used in these products are obtained in a responsible and sustainable manner. This means no harm to the environment or exploitation of workers. By choosing products that prioritize ethical sourcing, we can contribute to a healthier planet and support fair trade practices. Similarly, labor concerns are crucial to consider. Supporting companies that provide fair wages and safe working conditions for their employees helps to create a more equitable society. By purchasing hair removal products from manufacturers that prioritize labor concerns, we can contribute to the well-being of workers and promote social justice. So, let's make conscious choices when it comes to hair removal products. By supporting ethical practices in manufacturing, we can positively impact the lives of others and make a difference in the world.